Enjoy an age-old folktale. Sample indigenous country fare. Watch the creation of a unique masterpiece. Take in the simplicity of a rustic community. Experience the lifestyle of a village. Under the leafy canopy of a 200-year-old banyan tree, all in the heart of the city at Cinnamon Grand, Colombo. The rustic simplicity of rural lifestyles forms the core of Sri Lanka's heritage, traditions and culture. It signals a unique charm that encompasses the spirit and soul that is Sri Lanka. And this spirit and soul can be discovered at a central meeting point, most often under the shade of a large spreading tree, commonly the banyan tree or Mahanuga as it is called in Sinhalese. From ancient times, it was under the Nuga tree that traders conducted business or rested, an ideal meeting place for the villagers. At Cinnamon Grand, Colombo, Sri Lanka's award-winning premier 5-star hotel, the ambience of being a part of that rural community under the Nuga tree is brought to life. Nugagama is Sri Lanka's first and only Sri Lankan restaurant that creates the sights and sounds of a rural village, the lifestyles of that community and the tastes and flavors of indigenous fare, all under the leafy canopy of the Nuga tree in the heart of the city. A leafy path leads to Nugagama, named so after the truly awe-inspiring Nuga tree and the word Gama, which depicts village in Sinhalese. A cart or karate at the entrance is symbolic of the unique village life soon to be experienced at Nugagama. The cart pulled along by a sturdy bull was the main mode of transport for goods and services within the village. Now put yourself in the hands of the village chieftain as he takes you on a tour of this village in the city. A series of mud huts of varying sizes sit around the massive Nuga tree, dotted with picturesque cultivations of at least 4 to 6 varieties of indigenous medicinal herbs, leafy greens, spices, vegetables and other endemic trees, and a delightful little bridge that overlooks a pond filled with water lilies, Sri Lanka's national flower. These form the perfect backdrop for free-roaming chickens and livestock within the garden, unfolding the panorama of the classic Sri Lankan village. Being of agricultural heritage, harvest time is special for the village where the kamatha or the threshing floor becomes the heart of varying rituals that encourage a bountiful harvest. At Nugagama, the open space of the kamatha lends its ambience to the distinctive cultural entertainment of song and dance each night. The unique rice storing structure of the Bissa is emblematic of Sri Lanka's rice harvesting legacy as the granary of the East. The coarse, thatched simplicity of the Gamagedara, a typical village dwelling with its rustic wooden furniture, is accessorized by the obligatory linda or well used for water, while the open, breezy environs of the veranda in the Ambalama affords weary travellers well-earned rest. And then there's the traditional kusya, where the hearth is the heart of the home. The complex, time-consuming preparation of Sri Lankan food is performed by talented village women who use wood-fueled fires to slow cook their gourmet village fare in clay pots infused with a delightful aroma of spices and organic vegetables. Allow your taste buds to feast on typical Sri Lankan village cuisine, from hoppers to string hoppers, pittu to milk rice, and even red country rice, complemented with mouth-watering meats and seafood, country vegetables, healthy greens and home-grown samballs, washed down with native fruit juices with a touch of the local alcoholic brews of arak or toddy for those with a head for it, or a simple cup of refreshing pure Ceylon tea, drunk native style. A veritable banquet of at least 15 delectable dishes every day to be tasted and enjoyed at Nugagama. Also partake in a delightful afternoon tea complete with traditional sweetmeats, especially laid out for tour groups to experience the art of tea in a typical Sri Lankan setting. And this gastronomic journey is to be enjoyed dining under the shade of the Nuga tree or in the Salava, the village hall, which at Nugagama transforms during weekends to become a learning ground of arts, craft and history for children. Sated and fulfilled, make your way to the traditional Sri Lankan shop or kade on the way out, while also purchasing a keepsake Sri Lankan handicraft produced by small-scale rural craftsmen. A piece of Sri Lankan culture that will truly imbue indelible memories of the unique village in the city, Nugagama.